All right, so today I'll be showing you how to convert a Microsoft Word document into Google Docs. Now, this is very simple. So go to your favorite browser and open up docs.google.com, and that should put you inside your Google Docs. So let's go ahead and create a new blank document. So click on blank document, and then this is our blank document. So what you want to do is click on File in the top left corner and then select Open. Now, from this pop-up window, you want to come here and select Upload. And then now you can click on Browse and navigate to where you've saved your Microsoft Word document. So mine is right here on the desktop. You can just navigate to wherever yours is, click on it and select Open. And now you can see it's going to import that Microsoft Word document into Google Docs and convert it into a Google Docs document. It's really that simple. All right. Now, from here, you can do whatever you need to do. You can edit the document inside Google Docs. You can export it back into a Microsoft Word document. You can export it as a PDF. You can add whatever you want to add. That's basically how to convert a Microsoft Word document into Google Docs. Thanks for watching and good luck.